How to check if Gmail account is available. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Gmail application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. So as you're logged into your account, you can simply tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, and here you'll be able to see the option of add another account. Tap on add another account and you can just tap on Google over here. Now you can sign in from a different account or to check from the outer perspective. So what we're going to do is we're going to simply wait for a while until it loads us to the new page to sign in to a new account or to another account. Now what you can do is simply tap on the email ID and let's write some other email ID over here, and just let's write the email ID over here and simply tap on next. Now if this says that could not find your Google account, this particularly means this particular Gmail account is available, because if you didn't have this Gmail account available, then you would be landed on a new page where you'll have to enter the password. So this clearly shows you that this particular Gmail account is available. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.